Hello, and welcome to Collins Installations. We are very excited to have you as part of our team on this project. My name is Catherine Jevick, and I'm the Health and Safety Coordinator for Collins Installations. Together with the Health and Safety team on site, we're here to help support you in staying safe. The first and most critical thing you need to know is that on this site and with Collins Installations, everyone is a safety person. Responsibility for health and safety on site is not the sole responsibility of the Health and Safety Department. We are all responsible for ourselves and others. Today we're going to review the health and safety topics that are important for you to know before completing work on site. Collins Installation operates with the core purpose to inspire thriving communities, locally and globally. Collins Installation has developed our health and safety management system to ensure the utmost protection of our employees, clients, subcontractors, visitors, property, and equipment. Collins Installations values our staff and works to create an enjoyable, safe work environment that generates a productive workforce. Collins Installations' core values are integrity, reliability, teamwork, caring, and continuous improvement. Collins Installations treats its general contractor, the client, subcontractors, and suppliers with respect to cultivate a team approach where experience is applied with dedicated enthusiasm. Collins Installations strives to create and maintain a safe and healthy work environment for employees, subcontractors, and all those working around them, including all visitors to our work sites. Arriving to site, enter the site at the east gate and proceed 2 rows to enter into the larger parking area. Proceed to Brass Alley, the building with multiple entrances and site rules posted by the door. Inside, you'll see a tablet. Approach, remove your hard hat, and the tablet will scan your face and check your temperature. Next, scan the QR code on the table by the exit. This will open a page for you to sign in to site, including a COVID questionnaire. You will need to open the same page when leaving to sign out. There are wristbands at the exit door. These are a different color each day and must be worn at all times while on site to indicate that you have completed sign-in. Minimum personal protective equipment to enter site includes CSA-approved Class 3 hard hat, CSA-approved safety boots. Collins Installations does not provide steel-toe boots, however they are required on site. Boots must be in good condition, with laces intact, and steel toes should not be exposed. CSA-approved safety glasses. Collins Installations provides clear and tinted safety glasses. High visibility vests. Long pants and shirts with a minimum 4-inch sleeve. Long sleeves may be required as part of the job and task hazard assessment for limb protection. Appropriate gloves for the task. Cut-resistant gloves are required. Collins Installations provides gloves. To receive a new pair of gloves, turn in your current worn-out gloves to your supervisor. 3-layer face coverings. Face shields are required when working within 6 feet of another worker. Additional personal protective equipment may include hearing protection. Collins Installations provides hearing protection. Anytime that you need to raise your voice to be heard, you should be wearing hearing protection. Fall protection equipment. Collins Installations provides fall protection equipment following your successful completion of fall protection training. Documented inspection of the provided equipment must be completed each day that you need to use it. There are also fall protection plans that must be completed prior to work. Details of these procedures will be reviewed with you by your supervisor. NIOSH approved respiratory protection equipment. Collins Installations provides respirators. P100 filters must be used for particulate, and P100 VOC, or volatile organic compound cartridges, are to be used for chemicals or when required by the product's safety data sheet. You're required to come to work clean-shaven each day and participate in a fit test prior to using a respirator. Daily activities include checking in with your foreman, toolbox meetings. These meetings happen each day and cover information from the health and safety system, as well as incident review and site safety considerations. Proceeding to the work area and completion of a field-level hazard assessment, inspection of personal protective equipment, and inspection of equipment such as aerial work platforms or telehandlers. Incident reporting. Incident reporting is critical to our continual improvement, and reporting is mandatory. Failure to report may result in disciplinary measures. All incidents and near misses must be reported immediately to your foreman. In the event of a worker injury, we will work with you to get you back to work as soon as possible. Collins Installations has a modified work program in place to help facilitate this. Alcohol and drugs. Collins Installations rule is simple. Not here. No alcohol, no drugs, no paraphernalia on our sites. You cannot grow it here, you cannot make it here, and you cannot sell it here. Smoking. Smoking is permitted on site. All waste, such as cigarette butts, must be disposed of in an appropriate waste container. Horseplay and fighting. Again, not here. Do not participate in horseplay on site. Horseplay can quickly devolve from fun jokes to hurting someone or their feelings. Equipment operation. Do not operate any equipment that you have not received training for. If you have questions, speak with your supervisor and arrange for mentorship. Duty to refuse unsafe work. If you do not feel that an assigned task is safe to complete, report to your supervisor and complete a worker report of incident form. Your supervisor is responsible to follow up with you and correct any unsafe conditions. Housekeeping. Housekeeping is maintained, not achieved. Cleaning and organization must be done regularly, not just at the end of the shift. Prior to completing confined space or hot work on site, permits must be requested by your foreman with lead form. Hazardous products on the worksite. If you are working with hazardous products on the worksite, you must receive company-specific LMIS 2015 training. The safety data sheet will be available for the product on site and must be reviewed prior to use. Material storage. Flammable and combustible materials must be stored as per the safety data sheet and applicable fire code. Compressed gases must be stored upright and secured. Combustible material must be stored away from the work that involves welding, cutting, open flames, or other hot work. When you're finished your shift, don't forget to sign out. Collins Installations has developed a COVID-19 exposure control plan for site. This plan is available for review on Procore and will be provided to all subcontractors prior to entering site. Collins Installations has appointed a COVID safety coordinator as per LEDCOR site requirements to support staff with COVID-19 protocols. We have arranged lunch and break shift scheduling to reduce shared space use. Access to all trailers is restricted to pre-arranged appointments and urgent access. Cleaning frequency has been increased and a subcontractor has been assigned to cleaning activities. Thank you for taking the time to complete this orientation video. Your next step is to complete the orientation quiz following the link provided. We're excited to see you on site.